Inside your body, there is a drama unfolding every second, and most people have no idea it is happening. On one side, you have your mitochondria, the tiny power stations in your cells churning out ATP, the energy that keeps your heart beating, your brain thinking, and your muscles working. On the other side, you have methylation, a biochemical backstage crew with a clipboard and a flashlight, deciding which genes get switched on, which toxins get cleared out, which hormones get processed, and whether your DNA gets repaired before things go sideways. One system makes the power. The other tells the body where that power goes, what gets fixed, and what gets filed away. And when these two stop playing nicely together, things get messy. Energy drops. Oxidative stress rises. DNA repair gets sloppy. Mood can wobble. Inflammation can simmer. And aging starts moving a little faster than anyone invited it to. Now add genetics to the plot. Some people carry a common gene variant called MTHFR, especially the C677T version. It is like having a worker on the assembly line who means well, but moves a bit too slowly. That can make it harder to activate folate into the form your body actually needs for healthy methylation. The result, low methylation support, rising homocysteine, and more wear and tear on the system. But this is not a tragedy. It is a management problem. Support your mitochondria with exercise, especially interval training, sleep, healthy fats, and nutrients like CoQ10, carnitine, and magnesium. Support methylation with the right forms of folate, B12, B6, and riboflavin. And for some people, trimethylglycine or TMG and SAMe can help pick up the slack. Because aging is not just about getting older. It is about whether your cells still have energy, whether your repair systems still have supplies, and whether your biology is running like a symphony or like an orchestra that lost the conductor halfway through the performance. Your cells are talking all day long. The question is, are you giving them what they need to stay in tune? Follow for more insights into longevity, aging, and biology. Until next time, Peter Marino signing out.